Select the slots available on the switchboard as per your requirements for fixing the switches and sockets. Here we are using a switchboard panel. As you see, switchboard panel already has marking for fixing the switches and sockets on it. Here, 7 slots are provided for fixing the two 3-pin sockets, 4 5 ampere switches and a fan regulator. Step 1. Wear the personal protective equipments, safety gloves, rubber shoes and eyeglasses. And secondly, switch off the main input supply. Step 2. Place the components in the available slots and fasten the screws. Place the components in the available slots one by one on the switchboard panel. Slot available in the middle of these slots is dedicated to light switch. The upper 2 slots are for fan switch and fan regulator. Using a screwdriver, fasten all the 3-pin sockets, switches and fan regulators with the help of screws and bolts in the slots.